How you going? Luke from the Off-Road Tradies here. Just at a mate's shed in Golgol to change out my left-hand side sway bar link. I snapped in Little Dip National Park the other day. Apparently a fairly uncommon thing to do, but they weren't originals. They were replaced a while back because the ball joint was starting to flog out. So we replaced them, and now I'll replace them again. So I'm going to do both sides, but the left side was the only one that was damaged, but I'm going to do both sides. Rightio. Firstly, I've got different rims on, so I've got to get everything off and start that with the breaker bar, and then while it's on the ground, and then I'll lift it up and take it off. Right, now that's done, we'll put the jack under the front and get it up to height. Right, jack's underneath. It's a bloody steamy day today, but we'll get this tyre off. And that's done. And that's where we took it out the other day from here, because I was in a bit of trouble. The bottom of it's still in place, but the sway bar's just been swinging in the breeze and rubbing on a few bits and pieces, but that was the choice we had to make at the time. So anyway, let's get this show on the road. 13mm socket to take this off. In there. That's just going to give us a bit of room to get in, to get the new one on, and I've got to get this bottom one out. Now they've got an Allen key head and an, just in case. Yes, mate. That's not going anywhere. Size are we? So that's 6mm Allen key in the head of that to hold it, and then a lock nut on top. So I've gone with genuine Ford replacements to go back in this time. I don't reckon it's got any real way around it. Top just goes like that in there, and then we'll just sit that on there now, so it's going to hold, hopefully. to tell me that's the right thread. Hey, whip. Different thread. Okay, crisis averted. I found some nuts in my kit, which is good. 19mm you need for the back, and the 6mm to get the other nut out. So we'll get into that. Get on that one, and there's the plug in there. Yep. Jesus. That one's undone. Done. That off there like that. I'll keep those nuts just in case. That's going to go back through there, rusty. Put that back on. Or not, just leave it in there. Okay, do that up. That's up. That. And that. Right, let's do them back up. That one's done up. Okay. The bottom one's done up. And now I'll get the top one sorted. Brakes are still hot. Okay, that's done up. It's not going anywhere. Brake line back together. Done. Still chain mill. Oh. That's it, that's replaced. wheel back on. Job's right. Rightio, parts in. Let's get this tyre back on and back together, and I'll do the other side. Just nip them in first. Just nip them up first, and we'll get them with the breaker bar afterwards. Okay, cap back on. Did you have the clock on me, Whip? Okay. Did you have the clock on me?
No, I didn't actually.
Done. You reckon how long, Eddie? How long did that take? About half an hour? About half an hour. Probably less if I had the right nuts there first. But I'll go and do the other side and be right to go.